Stop, please don't skip the video. In this video today, I will share with you an important Facebook tip, how to fix Facebook page recommendations suspended. First, go to Professional Dashboard. Now scroll down. Click Creator Support. Click Recommendations. Look, my page has been suspended from Facebook. Now take a screenshot of the suspended page. I will back out from here. Again, scroll down. Now click Report a technical problem. Click Include. Now scroll down and find out Pages. Now, write your problem in the place of Describe the issue. Then, below the writing, put the link to your page, then take the screenshot a while ago and upload it here. And to get the application I wrote, you will find the Telegram link in the description of my channel. You will get this application on Telegram. Now click on the arrow button above to submit it. Now wait for 48 to 72 hours and you will get the solution. Thanks for watching.